Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share knowledge in Jasper AI. To start with, in the home page, let's find the knowledge base. To the left of the home page, click into Jasper IQ. In there, you will find it, and then simply just click on it. Now, if you already have knowledge created in there beforehand, then hover your mouse over to the three dots here at the right side of the knowledge. Click on it, and then you will see the share option immediately. Click on it, and begin to give the name of the group that you're sharing with. Now, because my workspace is just me alone, when I type in a name, nothing really shows up. But if your workspace has multiple people on it, and they're in a group, you'll be able to find their name. Once you do find them, then just make sure the knowledge is available to the workspace, and then press save. Now your knowledge is being shared with that group. And that's how to share knowledge with a group in Jasper AI.